SCOSCHE PBJ300 1-hour PowerUp 300 portable car jump starter, battery booster for automobiles. Power pack jump starter. With 300 amps of power you can quickly jump start an engine of 4 or up to 6 cylinders and 3.5 liters in case of emergency. Use the boost button to start a low voltage or discharged battery. Spark-free design. The spark-free safety system protects the jumper starter, you and your vehicle. Equipped with 10 safety protections such as polarity, overheating, overcharge, overvoltage, short circuit and many more. USB charging ports. Dual 5-volt USB ports charges mobile devices or any other USB devices from the portable battery. Battery level indicator with flashlight. 4 lights indicate the amount of battery left. Works as a flashlight with SOS mode in case of emergency. Durable compact design. Power pack jump starter with rugged design provides years of use. Includes thermoform case to easily store inside a glove compartment or trunk of your vehicle. Includes 90-day warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.